Welcome to the Simple Dad DJI Pocket 3 tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to select different gimbal modes on your DJI Pocket 3 gimbal. So there are three gimbal modes to select. The first one is your follow mode, second one is your tilt lock, and the third one is your FPV mode. So let me show you how to cycle between these modes on your DJI Pocket 3 gimbal. So first you want to go ahead and turn on your gimbal. Next, you want to go ahead and swipe down from the top. This will get you into your menu. Now at the bottom right here, you're looking for the gimbal icon, which looks like this. Go ahead and tap on it. By default, it is always in follow mode. To change the mode, go ahead and swipe left. You'll see your tilt lock and you'll see your FPV mode. Now below all these modes, you have a description of what it actually does. So follow mode is suitable for most scenarios, so including vlogging and selfie video. So follow mode will basically follow wherever you point the camera. So if you point the camera up, down, left, right, it'll keep following the direction of where you face it. Your second mode, which is your tilt lock mode. In this mode, tilt will be locked, so your up and down axis will be locked, while your left and right will follow wherever you face. So if you're doing walking tours, this is a great mode. As the up and down axes will be locked, you can go ahead and select the axes. So you can select a position where you want to stay, and then you can go ahead and use that in the walking mode. Now the third mode is your FPV mode. So if you're into FPV drones, this mode will basically replicate what it is. In drone mode, you have your tilt. So if you turn your gimbal left and right, it'll tilt to the right and left. So FPV stands for first person view, and it'll basically give you that kind of motion with your gimbal. So there you go. That is how to select different gimbal modes on your DJI Pocket 3 gimbal. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.